GATE 2021 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 50. A tube well of 20 cm diameter fully penetrates a horizontal homogeneous and isotropic confined aquifer of infinite horizontal extent. The aquifer is of 30 meter uniform thickness. A steady pumping at the rate of 40 liters per second from the well for a long time results in a steady drawdown of 4 meter at the well face. The subsurface flow to the well due to pumping is steady, horizontal and Darcian, and the radius of influence of the well is 245 meters. The hydraulic conductivity of the aquifer in meter per day, which needs to be rounded off to integer, is. The relevant NPTEL reference has been provided as below. Coming to the useful data, if this is a confined aquifer whose radius of influence is capital R, there will be a drawdown of SW at the well face, and this drawdown can be obtained using the Thiem's equation for a confined aquifer. The radius of influence is nothing but the horizontal distance from the center of the well to where the pumping rate Q can cause a drawdown. Beyond this point or this point, there will not be any drawdown in the water level. B is the aquifer thickness in meters, SW is the drawdown of the well in meters, and pumping rate is taken in SI units of meter cube per second. The T is the transmissivity, which is nothing but product of the hydraulic conductivity into thickness of the aquifer. So the discharge in this case is given as 40 liters per second. Converting this to SI units of meter cube per second, we will multiply it with 10 to the power minus 3. Thickness of the aquifer B is given as 30 meters. Drawdown in the well is given as 4 meters. The radius of influence is given as 245 meters. So if we draw the well here, and this is our radius of influence, which is equal to capital R. Here the drawdown will be SW, that will connect with the extreme points of zero drawdown, and this will be our aquifer thickness B. The pumping rate from this well will be Q. So for using Thiem's equation, we need to select 2 points whose radius are R1 and R2, and where the height levels are H1 and H2. For the purpose of this question, we will select the 2 points, the first point near the well and the second point near the extreme. Substituting all the values, we would get T is nothing but KB, Q is 40 times 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 pi, and H2, if this is H1 and if this is H2, the difference of H1 and H2 can be seen as the well drawdown. So this will be our well drawdown into ln capital R 245 meters by small r, that is given as 10 centimeters in this case. So the radius of the well is given as 10 centimeters. So rearranging this equation to get the value of K, we will get 40 times 10 to the power minus 3 divided by 2 pi into 4 into 30 ln 245 by 0.1. We would get k as 0.000415 meter per second, but the question has asked us to calculate k in meters per day. So we will multiply this k with 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes and each minute has 60 seconds. So this would give us k as 35.88 meters per day, which can be approximated to 36 meters per day, since the question asks us to approximate it to the nearest integer. So to solve this problem, Thiem's equation was used and the answer was found out to be 36 meter per day, which is our hydraulic conductivity. The relevant reference to the NPTEL course has been provided.